Morning, everybody. Been a crazy week this week, but we're on the road again this morning. But we're in the Winterton rollback this morning, headed up to an area called Oak Grove or Danish Ranch Road. Got a Dodge Ram, I don't know, 2500, one of them, up there having some issues. So the old girl's still chugging along at 303,000 miles. So we'll keep on driving it. We'll get up the road and we'll take you along for the ride. See where we end up. No rest today. It's burning down a Monday afternoon about 4 o'clock. Got a call for a Ford F-250 stuck in a ditch up here on the Quichapaw Reservoir area. We're gonna head over there in the old Black Pearl. Got Becca Rooney with me today running the camera. She gave me the look because I gave you her nickname. So we're gonna get over there and see what we can figure out. See if this old girl will get him up out of there. And if not, I guess we'll call in for some reinforcements from the Illinois National Guard. But we're about, I don't know, 36 miles from home base. Get up here and get this taken care of, and we'll take you along for the ride. A little pond in the middle of the desert. We're gonna follow these guys up here and see if we can get them gathered up. Pretty good sized truck to be hooking on to, but we'll see what we can do. Got these guys up here in front of us in their little Toyota Tacoma, and between the two of us we ought to be able to get them out, do a little snatch block and a little winch and see what we can do. Ditch right there.
Okay, well, let me just go back behind it and winch it out.
This is not a good place to be. Holy crap, look at that ugly thing. Got me a strap hooked up here up to that big old tree. So we're gonna just work our way over here. Right there.
Oh, there's some sexy boots.
Only the best for the sexiest man alive.
Good thing irrigation season's over so you can have your dual purpose boots.
That's right. Now they're single purpose.
It'll get the job done.
That's all I need to get the job done. Right?
Can't walk right there, I get blinded.
So hand me that, and then hand me that rope.
It is blinding.
My phone's obsessed.
It always does that lately.
See that knot right there?
That's not good.
How did we let that happen? Oh, that was close. I don't like to do that. How many knots do you want tied in this thing? We just will get mechanical right off the bat, hadn't we?
Boots are like 5 pounds heavy, right?
So we got one of those. Okay, so all I'm gonna say is we need to all stay the hell out of the way. So
Oh yeah. We'll go wait up by the Tacoma.
if you know what I mean by that.
As we all slip and fall down on the way.
See how this moves.
Okay, he's tight. Hold it. Put the brakes.
We might have to cut that little shrub.
Go a little bit. Not that much. Turn right. Left throttle. Left throttle. Hold up.
What happened?
You're in this. You're there.
Oh. Okay, full brake.
Full brake. pretty good.
Don't go anywhere.
Yeah, don't you go anywhere.
Hey, you're good. Hold there.
I like it.
Bobby.
Okay. Maybe let yours go if he's gonna back up, so you don't pull you into a hole.
Yeah. It's so close.
Hold up! Hold up!
All right, that was kind of a mess there. He was clear down in here, mired in the mud. Probably got a hole here I'm gonna fall in and get my boots wet. So we winched him right up out of here. Took a little mechanical advantage on our behalf, but had another rig here with a winch. So we was able to give him a dead stop and back to mine and have him help me pull. So it worked out pretty good in these tight quarters.